How to install application from Chrome in Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to our channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can download or install application from the Chrome. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to launch your Chrome application in a mobile device and make sure it is up to date. Now, if you want to download or install any application, head towards the search bar and there type in download your application name. For example, I want to download Roblox in my device. Scroll down a bit and now you have to head over their official website where you can find the install or the download button. Here is this official website, that is www.roblox.com. And as you can see here, it says download Android. So from here you can install the application. Simply tap on download Android and the download process will begin. So that's the way to download any application from the Chrome to their official website if that is available. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.